guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're absolutely welcome. My name is Funmi and I make videos from Nigeria. Now this is going to be one of the videos on our video series, and today we're going to be talking about mics. Now we all know that using the right sound is the easiest way to boost your project immediately and basically just take it to the next level. So today's video, I'm going to be testing out different sound options that you can use without breaking the bank. Now if that's something you'd like, let's get into the video of the day. What we're going to be doing next week is we're going to be reviewing channels. So if you would like me to review your channel, please leave it in the comment section below and we'll check it out and then review it. So basically what I'll be reviewing is your thumbnail, your title, and then we'll also be reviewing basically everything about your channel and just figure out a way for you to grow more. So if you would like that, guys, just leave your channel linked below and we'll get to that in our next video. Whatever sound you're using, the best way to get the best quality out of your mic is to get as close as possible. Well, I'm not saying you should get too close, but get as close as possible that you can get to your mic device, because the closer you are, the easier it is for your device to pick up the sound that it needs to pick up. So the first mic we're going to be using is the mic that comes with the camera. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, look at how I'm straining my voice. Obviously this doesn't work. So this is what our camera sounds like without any mic out. This is the inbuilt sound that comes with our camera. As you can see, unless you want to be screaming and shouting while you're recording your video, I would not advise you to shoot talking head videos without a microphone. Now my microphone, if you can see the distance between me and the microphone, is pretty far because of our setup. Guys, so we have switched to this mic here by M1 lavalier clip-on microphone. So that's what I'm using right now. You can tell that my environment is very noisy, so I'm just going to clip it onto my shirt so that you guys know what it sounds like when it is on. Like, it's better when you use it with like a button-down shirt as opposed to using it with a t-shirt like this. But how it works is there's a battery in it, so every once in a while you have to change the battery just so that your mic keeps on working very well. But you do not have to change the battery every time. I have changed that battery maybe 3 times since I bought it, and I have had that mic for over 4 to 3 years. So just in case you were wondering about the battery life, the battery stays for a very long time and you also get better quality audio. It's just that the quality of the audio doesn't cancel out a lot of background sound and a lot of noises. You can just place it in different places, but basically that's what it is with the Boya lavalier mic. So let's move to the next mic. Now, I'm sure a lot of us have this. This is basically the earpiece that comes with my iPhone. So I use an iPhone to just record the sound from the iPhone. Now, I'm sure we have seen this on TikTok, on social media. Basically, to use this sound and to be able to use it properly, you need to move it very close to your mouth. Make sure that the port that records, that's that tiny hole, is close to your mouth, and then record like that. Now, to use this sound, if this is all you have, it's also fine. But you can hear the difference between this sound, the Boya lavalier mic, and the inbuilt camera sound. Now the camera microphone, or the sound that comes with your camera, you can use this as well, or we can actually just switch to recording our sound from our device without using a headpiece. So if you use a Samsung phone, so if you use an Android or you use the iOS, that's Apple, whatever you use, you can always use this, that's your earpiece, or you can use the inbuilt speaker that comes with it to record your sound. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this somewhere close by so that it's easy for my phone to pick up the quality of the sound. Now, you don't want to take this too far from your mouth. This is not like a professional microphone, so it will not be able to pick up a lot of sound from afar. Now, the thing with using a lot of our cheaper sound options is that you have to come as close as possible to your mic. This is the Rode Wireless Go. It comes with 3 devices if you buy the one that comes with 2 mics. So this is one mic and this is another mic, and then it has a receiver that you place on your camera. So what that receiver does is that whatever it is you are transmitting, it sends it to the wireless device that's on your camera, and then you are able to get clean, clear audio from your camera. Now the Rode Wireless Go comes with this as well. So you can place this on your mic and to just make your sound come out better. To use your Rode Wireless Go, you can either place it on your outfit, that's like this, and it will pick up the sound while you're talking from around you, or you can get a little lavalier mic. This is the lavalier mic I use when I'm using my Rode Wireless Go. So all I do is attach this to my Rode and then attach my Rode to my dress so that you do not see this big bulky mic. I find it very, very annoying when I see like this huge mic on people's outfits. Yes, there are times when it is impossible. Now I have switched to this, so this is what I will attach to my outfit. So this has been attached to my dress. If you can see, this is the mic. You can use it if you shoot vlogs as well. So you just place one on your camera and then you hold one around. So no matter how far you go, you do not have to worry about your sound being clear or being too far from your camera. Now the Rode Wireless Go can also be used on your phone, on your iPhone. So you simply attach the receiver to your iPhone. You can also place your phone on a tripod and record your videos from your phone. Now the disadvantage of using the Rode wireless microphone, sometimes you might forget to turn on your receiver. That has happened to me a lot. Or you might forget to also turn on the transmitter. So that's one of the disadvantages of that. The next mic we're going to be switching to is this mic, which is the Samsung Q2 USB XLR dynamic microphone. Now the reason why I love this mic is the quality. If you can hear the quality of the mic, it takes out a lot of background sound. Now I am in Nigeria, so sometimes we use generators to give us power, and generators are very noisy, so this mic is able to just cancel out the sound. I also live in a very noisy environment. If you can hear the difference, it cancels out every single background sound. It comes with a windscreen, which is this puffy black thing. It's my laptop, and I use my laptop voice memo to record the sounds for my video. The disadvantage of this mic is that you cannot connect it directly to your camera and use it from your camera. You have to get like a voice recorder, record it separately, and then when you're editing your videos, sync both sounds together. That is very easy and straightforward. But if you like me to do a video on how to sync sounds from external devices into your video while editing, please let me know in the comment section below. Now, if you're also starting a podcast and you're looking to buy a mic but you don't want to spend a lot of money, this mic comes in with very high reviews. For the price, this is like the best mic you can get for this price range, and that is what I use to record a lot of my voiceovers and to do a lot of my videos. If you do not mind having your mic being very visible in your shot, then this mic is very perfect for you. Guys, if my videos have been helpful to you, please click the like button and leave a comment. It helps the algorithm to know that this channel is doing something amazing and that you guys love the videos. Anyways guys, we have finally gotten to the end of this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you please like this video and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.